Hello everyone, Jai Hind my dear student once again. I welcome you all in this biology classes with Chandrakant sir. Student, our chapter that is human health and diseases is going on. So related to this chapter, I am in front of you with a very important topic, that is the types of diseases. Clear students, our topic is types of diseases. Clear students, so in this lecture we will discuss only about the kind of diseases. Clear? So let's begin with the related topic. Clear students? So the diseases, they are broadly categorized into two types. Clear student, you must be having idea that there are two types of diseases, congenital diseases and acquired diseases. This is the broad category. Clear? So diseases are broadly categorized into two, congenital diseases and acquired diseases. Clear? So let me discuss the congenital diseases first. Clear student? Congenital diseases, these are the diseases with which a person is born. Clear? These are the inborn diseases. ये पैदाइशी बीमारी होती है, जन्मजात बीमारी होती है. Clear? ये जन्म से ही बच्चों में होती है. Clear students? So congenital diseases are the inborn diseases. Clear? And further we divide these congenital diseases into two: hereditary or the genetic disorder, and second one is the diseases due to the environmental factor. Clear? So what are hereditary and genetic disorders? Heredity means these are the diseases which are transferred from one generation to the another generation. Clear students? These are the diseases which are due to the defect in the gene or in the chromosome number. Clear? Yani these diseases are due to the single gene mutation. You will study in another chapter. Clear? Due to the single gene mutation, for example, hemophilia is there, color blindness is there, albinism is there. Clear? And due to chromosomal aberration में chromosome का number घट बढ़ जाता है, it gets changed. 46 के बदले 47 हो गया, 45 हो गया. So these are the diseases which are generally termed as chromosomal aberration. Clear? Turner syndrome is there, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. These are the diseases which you have to study in class 12. Clear student? So here I am giving you this brief idea of the kind of diseases. Clear? Now you must have seen there are many people with the cleft palate, कटे तालू और होठ कटे हुए रहते हैं. तो these are the inborn diseases. Clear? And it is due to the effect of environmental condition during the embryonic stage. जब बच्चे का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में, उसी समय कुछ इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर की वजह से कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाते हैं बच्चे में और इस तरह के एबनॉर्मलिटीज डेवलप होती हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो जैसे कटे हुए तालू हो गए, पैलेट, क्लेफ्ट पैलेट एंड होठ कटे रहते हैं, तो दीज आर द डिजीजेस. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द एक्वायर्ड डिजीजेस. Clear student? These are not inborn diseases. यानी these are the diseases which a person acquire after birth. बहुत सिंपल है स्टूडेंट. जन्म के बाद जो बीमारियां होती हैं लोगों में, इंसान में, these are called as the acquired disease. यानी acquired diseases are the diseases which a person acquire from outside, from their surroundings. Clear? And further, these acquired diseases are you can say they are broadly categorized into two: communicable and non-communicable. Clear? Communicable and non-communicable. You are very much familiar with these two types of diseases. Clear student? So what do we mean by the communicable diseases? These communicable diseases are caused due to the infection of pathogen. Clear? And these are transferred from one person to the another person by various means. Clear student? So communicable diseases, these are the diseases which are transferred from affected person to the healthy person. Clear? And these diseases are purely microbial in nature. These are caused by the microorganism. Clear student? यानी communicable diseases caused due to pathogen and spread from infected person to the healthy person. Clear? Again the communicable diseases are of two types, contagious disease and non-contagious disease. Clear? Contagious means क्या? Due to the direct physical contact. Clear? Contagious means through the contact, physical contact. Shaking hand हो गया, clear? Kissing हो गया, ये direct contact है. Clear? Sexual intercourse हो गया. These are what? These are the direct transmission. Clear student? हाथ आपने किसी से मिलाया, hugging, गले लग रहे हो, so ये direct contact है. There are many bacterial and the fungal diseases which is spread due to direct contact. Clear? So ये communicable diseases है. These are contagious disease. Clear? And second one is a non-contagious. Non-contagious means what? Let me correct the spelling. Non-contagious. So non-contagious means what? These are the diseases which is spread through the vectors. Insects are there, vectors are there, rabid dogs are there. By biting of the insect, by biting of the infected dogs and the other animals, these is spread through the food. Clear? And blood transfusion, vehicle. Clear? So ये जो diseases हैं, जैसे अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कोविड 19 डिजीज, क्लियर, कोरोना वायरस, वो इसी तरह से स्प्रेड करता है. क्लियर? क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस आर ऑफ टू टाइप, कंटेजियस डिजीज एंड नॉन कंटेजियस डिजीज. क्लियर? यू हैव गॉट द आइडिया अबाउट कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल, एज द नेम इज itself indicating that these are the diseases which do not spread from infected person to the healthy person. These diseases remain stick to the infected person. ये वो बीमारियां हैं जिसको होती हैं उसी तक सीमित रहती हैं. ये कभी भी एक दूसरे से नहीं फैलती है, ना ही एक दूसरे के साथ उठने बैठने से, ना गले लगने से, ना एक दूसरे के साथ खाने से. क्लियर? यानी these are the diseases which purely remains restricted to the infected person. Clear? And now these non-communicable diseases, these are of various kinds. Clear? So let me tell you one by one. Clear student? So first is the deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are what? These are the diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of nutrient in our daily diet. Clear? If you are not taking vitamin A, you will be suffering from night blindness. If you are not taking vitamin B, you will suffer from beriberi. If you are not taking iron, you will suffer from anemia. Clear student? So all the diseases like rickets vitamin D की कमी से होता है, scurvy vitamin C की कमी से हो गया. These are the common diseases which you already know. Clear? And the person who is suffering from scurvy will not spread the disease to other person. Simply वो जिसको है उसी तक रहेगा. बेरी मुझे है तो मेरे से किसी को स्प्रेड नहीं होगा. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस मुझको है तो मेरे से किसी और को स्प्रेड नहीं होगा. क्लियर? आई एम श्योर दैट यू पीपल आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्लियर? सो डेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर्स डू नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू द हेल्दी पर्सन. क्लियर? नाउ मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स. मेंटल डिसऑर्डर लाइक एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन. देयर आर सो मेनी रीजन. एग्जाम में मार्क्स कम आ गए, डिप्रेशन में चले गए. क्लियर? कोई ऐसी घटना घट गई, एंजाइटी हो गई. क्लियर? तो दीज आर मेंटल, प्योरली मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स. ये सिचुएशन हालात के हिसाब से हो जाते हैं. क्लियर? सो बी चेयरफुल, बी हैप्पी. क्लियर? डू नॉट लेट द एंजाइटी कम इनसाइड यू. नाउ थर्ड इज द एलर्जी. Allergy, it's a common word. Clear? Sometimes rashes develop on the body, urticaria, pruritus, sneezing, watery eyes. Clear? Redness. These are the various forms of allergy. What is allergy? We have to study in a separate topic. Allergy एक separate topic है, हम लोगों को पढ़ना है. So actually allergy is the hypersensitivity of the whole body to some foreign particles. Clear? Hypersensitivity of whole body to some foreign particle. This is the allergy. Clear? आप अपने जगह से, अपने स्टेट से किसी दूसरे ठंडे स्टेट में जाते हो, वहाँ पे स्नीजिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. ऑल ऑफ सडन आप पहुँचे, क्लियर? तो टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन हो गया एंड देन यू स्टार्ट स्नीजिंग, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एलर्जी. क्लियर? देयर मे बी द pollen एलर्जी, you are smelling a flower and suddenly you start sneezing. Clear? तो this is what? This is a kind of allergy. So अस्थमा प्योरली एलर्जी होता है, ब्रोंकाइटिस प्योरली एलर्जी है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? तो नेक्स्ट इज द ऑर्गेनिक डिजीजेस. जैसे हाई ब्लड प्रेशर हो गया, यानी हार्ट डिजीजेस, दीज आर द ऑर्गेनिक डिजीजेस. क्लियर? उसके बाद एपिलेप्सी जो कुष्ठ रोग जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ये क्या है? एपिलेप्सी, दैट इज द यू कैन से ऑर्गेनिक डिजीजेस. दीज डू नॉट स्प्रेड. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? Now cancer, you are aware of this term, cancers, these are restricted to the particular person. ये कैंसर एक दूसरे से कभी नहीं फैलता है. Clear? I have to teach you this disease in detail. कैंसर हमारा एक अलग से एक टॉपिक है स्टूडेंट, इसके बारे में डिटेल में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Clear? Uncontrolled proliferation of the cells. It may be due to some carcinogens. क्लियर? कुछ केमिकल हो गए, कुछ ड्रग्स हो गए, एक्सरे हो गया, यूवी रेज हो गया, ऑल दीज आर द कॉजेज ऑफ कैंसर. क्लियर? एंड नाउ एडिक्शन अगेन इट्स अ डिजीज. क्लियर? आपने सुना होगा दैट पर्सन हैज बिकम द ड्रग एडिक्ट, ही हैज स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ड्रग्स. क्लियर? सो एडिक्शन हो गया, एडिक्शन ऑफ इट मे बी ऑफ टोबैको, इट मे बी ऑफ एल्कोहल. क्लियर? इट मे बी ऑफ द ड्रग्स. तो एडिक्शन, क्लियर? एडिक्शन ये भी एक बीमारी होती है, लेकिन जिसको है केवल उसी तक रहेगी. सपोज दैट अ पर्सन ए इज टेकिंग ड्रग, सो दैट पर्सन कैन बी अफेक्टेड, अदर फैमिली मेंबर विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप दैट यू पीपल आर नाउ एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीजेस. क्लियर? सो हैव अ लुक ऑफ दिस चार्ट. Once again I am telling you the diseases are broadly categorized as to congenital disease and acquired diseases, and now these are further divided. Congenital, they may be hereditary or may be due to the environmental factors. Clear? Acquired may be communicable and non-communicable. फिर communicable are of two types, contagious and non-contagious, you can see. The non-communicable, अभी I have told you, है ना? I have just now told you this may be deficiency disease, mental disorder, allergy. Clear? Addiction हो गया, कैंसर हो गया, ऑर्गेनिक डिजीज हो गया. Clear students? So I hope that you have liked this video, you have liked this session. Student, very soon I will come with the another video session with another topic. Till then, keep on watching this video. Clear? And enjoy your day. Thank you very much.